Super fast Szechwan noodles is what we are going to see today. Hi, hello, I'm Szechwan. Welcome to Dosa Pizza, and this is going to be a lovely session of super fast Szechwan noodles. This Szechwan noodles normally needs a lot of kind of sauces to give it the flavor, but whereas we are going to put all the ingredients into it and do the sauce by ourselves, and it's going to be instant. So let's do this lovely Szechwan noodles. For this noodles, the very important step is going to be we need a lovely noodle for this. So it's not going to be any instant noodle, it's going to be the regular Chinese noodles or a chow mein noodle, whichever is available. So for this, the main important thing will be cooking of this noodle. It needs around 3 to 5 minutes of boiling water. So it depends, you can just see in the instructions given on the noodle pack like how long it should be. If you're going to leave it for a very longer time, what will happen, they become very soft and the taste of the noodle will go off. So you should see to that, you remove it in 3 or 5 minutes as mentioned. So this is for 3 minutes, I'm going to remove it after 3 minutes. The water has started to boil. Let's add some salt to it. 1 spoon of oil. Now to this boiling water, I am adding the noodle. Just separate the noodles like this. Now let me drain this water and set the noodles. Now let the water drain completely from this. Now we said it's going to be a quick and easy one. So we are going to do the Szechwan sauce. Right now we are going to grind everything together to make the sauce. The main ingredient will be the Badgi chili or the Kashmiri chilies because they give the nice red color to this noodles. So that's very important here. Here I'm adding the chilies and I've soaked the chilies so that you get a nice soft texture. Ginger garlic and green chili together. So let's make a fine paste now. So here is a fine paste. So now for the Szechwan noodles, what we're going to do is we need a big wok or a really large opened vessel for this because we are going to sort the vegetables and they need to get sorted quickly. Within 2 to 3 minutes they should get ready, crispy, half cooked. So that should be the condition of the vegetables. So let's do it in a big wok. And at the side we are going to do again the sauce in the another small vessel. We are going to sort them and then finally we will be adding it to them. So here I put a wok. Now let me add some oil to it. First let me add the cabbage and beans, the ground chili, ginger garlic paste. I'm adding little water. Now let's add the carrot. Now let's add the capsicums. Some spring onions. Now add the required amount of salt. Now the vegetables are done. Just half cooked it should be, so leave it now, switch it off. Meanwhile we can see the sauce. The sauce is boiling well, so I'm going to add some sugar to this. This sugar will actually increase the flavor and it will also bring down the acidity. So we are adding a pinch of sugar and a pinch of soy sauce. Add a pinch of salt to this. We are going to add some vinegar which will give a nice sour taste to this. But in case if you are allergic to vinegar, you can add some lemon juice, or if you are allergic to lemon juice, you can add some vinegar. Anyway, if you are going to store it for a longer time, you can add some vinegar, more vinegar and leave it, store it. Otherwise, you can just add some pinch of vinegar or lemon juice will do. Here I am adding some vinegar. Here our sauce is ready. Now add it to the vegetables. And this will depend on the hot or spiciness your family requires. So just add little by little and then taste it. If it is fine, you can add, or otherwise you can leave it. Now let's add the noodles. Give it a nice mix up. The lovely super fast Szechwan noodle is ready on your table. You need not have a Szechwan sauce to do this. We have done everything by ourselves and the noodles are ready to eat. Do try this and keep us posted. Dosa Pizza is all about enhancing your taste buds. If you like this video, press like. Subscribe to Dosa Pizza, and for your printable recipes visit dosapizza.com. Thank you and bye-bye.